And today on Price Check, we're going to take an updated look at some new sales on Bakelite radios. Here we have this Raymond Loewy Old World Colonial Globe Art Deco Bakelite Map Radio selling for $3,868. 73 bids starting all the way at 99 cents. That's fantastic. And looks like a great item here. If this lit up even. Wow, that was the speaker. That's phenomenal. And also recently sold today, we have a Bakelite Zenith AMFM restored, 57 bids selling for $315. And here again starting at $9.99, so fantastic. We have another Zenith. Here we have the Owl Eye, selling on Buy It Now for $359. You can see why they call it the Owl Eye. That is a really nice piece. And we have another Motorola selling December 19th. Also looking to be in quite nice condition for its age. Plays the AM band clearly. Very, very nice. And here we have a Catalan radio. I believe I was looking at this model last time. Something very close to it. Here we have the Fada model 652 Catalan Bakelite tube radio. Not sure, does it say if it's good working order? Very cool. Very cool. Well, thanks for checking us out today, and we hope that you give us a follow and make sure to subscribe. Yeah, I can't get my social media straight, but we hope you have a great day.